Open the accessory box. Raise the presser foot. Take out the bobbin. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Guide the thread through the thread guide. Thread the bobbin and put it on the bobbin winding shaft. Push bobbin spindle to right. Connecting machine to power source. Turn on the sewing machine. Hold the end of thread, step on foot control pedal. When winding is fished. Cut the thread. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread, trough the slit. Pull out about 6 inches of thread. And attach the bobbin cover plate. Turn off the power before threading. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot to release the tension discs. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Leading thread down right channel and up left channel. Ensure the thread is behind the thread take-up. Thread the guide from the right-hand side. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release lever. Pull the thread through the needle hole. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Turn the handwheel towards you, lowering then raising needle. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot. Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machines for straight stitch. Adjust the stitch width dial. When the value is 0, it is a straight stitch. Set stitch length dial to 2-4. Step on foot control pedal, the machine will start sewing. Press the reverse sewing lever, sew a few reverse stitches. Release the lever and the machine will sew forward again. Cutting the thread. Set the machine for a zigzag stitch. Set the stitch width at 6. Adjust the stitch length dial. It can sew 23 types of stitches. Open the button plate and insert the button. Attach the buttonhole foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. Turn on the sewing machine. Choose buttonhole stitch. Set the stitch width to 6. Set stitch length dial to 0.5-1. After the sewing is completed, lift the buttonhole lever. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Stitch density on right and left sides of buttonhole can be adjusted by buttonhole balance control dial. This dial should usually be in a neutral position, between plus and dash. Turn power switch to off, before inserting or removing the needle. Turn the hand wheel to lift the needle to the highest point. Place the fabric under the presser foot to prevent the needle from falling out. Release the needle set screw and remove the needle. Take out the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate by using T-shaped screwdriver. Clean the dust and lint clogging. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.